So you've got your JP40 and you've got bus bars. I recommend putting some blue Loctite. You can tell here that I put a little bit too much blue Loctite. We got a little bit too much right there. But that's okay. It'll dry. Should not affect the performance of it. I will tell you that you guys are going to want to put some felt. Put some tape of felt on your bus bars because, dude, these guys get crazy close. I mean, we're talking millimeters here. I'm not even going to get that close to it. But yeah, dude, I'm putting felt tape on the bottom of the positive side. I'm putting felt tape on the top of this bus bar, and I will have them facing this way. Oof. Also, I had to crank the living hell out of these screws to get them flush. So I'm going to crank these down and then back them out so I can install them. And then I'll be ready to put them inside the Jeep. Okay, so we've got our felt down on the bus bar. This is what mine looks like. I do like to heat the felt up a little bit just to get some pretty good adhesion. But yeah, now I feel a lot more comfortable getting these bus bars together. The last thing I want to do is have those two bus bars touch when I'm trying to install this thing and weld them together. And God knows what else would happen considering that this is lithium. Man, it's bad enough that it's a battery and then you move up to AGM and now you're moving up to lithium and you got all this amperes. So yeah, please be careful when you're installing these. Next, we've got our thread locker on. That's not gonna, you can't see that. That's what that blue stuff is here. Got some blue thread locker on here, and because this is gonna see a lot of vibrations, right? I'm gonna have around 7,000 RMS coming, so it's gonna shake the vehicle a lot, and I don't want these bus bars touching at all. I don't want to give them any excuse to come loose and touch each other. So yeah, I've got thread locker on. I highly recommend it. Okay, we've got both bus bars on. Freaking sketch, dude. I don't really care for how close they are. I mean, there's probably maybe a millimeter gap between them. And they've got this metal. Is this metal just plastic? Oh, you know what? That might be plastic. That's nice. God, dog. For a second there, I thought that this was metal itself as well. And I was like, Jesus Christ, you gotta be shitting me. So yeah, that's good that it's plastic and not metal. That's space in between here. But there's probably a millimeter of spacing in between there.